Make money online in 2022. Lots of people are interested in this topic. And honestly, there are lots of different solutions available if you want to make money online, but there is a catch. The tricky side is to learn how to make money on a monthly basis with consistency. I have been selling stuff online since 2008, and I can affirm that today, if you want to make even thousands of dollars per month, you have to think and act differently than years ago for various reasons that I'll explain in detail in this video. I'm going to share with you my top 3 proven and tested methods to make money online in 2022. And even if there are different methods available, I share my point of view and experience only on business models that I personally tested in the last 12 years of my entrepreneurial career. Bear with me till the end of this video because I'll open your eyes on how to create a profitable business to let you live the life you deserve. My name is Max Cecco and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Let me make an important premise. If your sole purpose is to find the easy way to make money online without properly serving your clients and offering good products and services, I can't help you. And honestly, I can assure that you will quit very soon and probably won't get any important results in terms of income earned. Today, people are more educated and they give their money to people and/or brands they trust. I won't teach you how to sell shit from China only to make money. There are other guys online that love this way of making money. Since it is not sustainable in the long term for different reasons, I recommend you not waste your time doing something like this. Regardless of the 3 methods I'll share with you in the next few minutes, if you are seriously interested in making money, you should focus your attention on creating a brand. Once you become a brand, people buy from you rapidly, they trust you faster, and selling anything is easier. Believe me, because I have seen this pattern multiple times in my online career. I sold courses, live events, coaching, physical stuff, and even stupid items from China. This is why I want to push you in the right direction to speed up your results. With that said, let me talk about the first method to make money online in 2022. Method number 1. Become an infopreneur. Becoming an infopreneur means creating a business by sharing your knowledge and experience, both free and paid. In addition, as I did multiple times in my online career, you can help other people, for example, professionals, to share their expertise and split profits. Once you understand how this business model works, your possibilities are endless. You can create your own company with different collaborators, or you can make money as a freelancer. You can identify yourself as a mentor or consultant. You can build your web agency, and so on. The question is, what type of info products can you sell to get a profit? In my personal opinion and based on my experience, these are the 3 top info products you should sell online in 2022. Info product number 1. Video calls plus weekly sessions of Q&A. In this info product, your main goal is to provide a defined step-by-step process the client has to follow to reach the specific result he or she is looking for. With this info product, the client must be willing to watch your videos and apply the information you're sharing correctly. By planning weekly sessions of 2 hours each, you give your audience the possibility to have a direct access to you and your intellectual property without investing more money. It's like providing a sort of coaching sessions in which your clients can get your support to overcome the obstacles they are facing. Info product number 2, online consulting. With consulting, you can ask for more money since the client has direct access to you and your intellectual property. If you are positioned correctly and you have a good following, you can easily ask $200, $500 for 1 hour consultation with you. In addition, the consultation can help you sell other info products, even online courses based on your client's needs. Consulting is efficient because you can work one-on-one with your client and be completely focused on finding a solution to help him produce fast results. Info product number 3, mentoring program. I love this information product because it is one of the most powerful weapons to speed up the results. In a nutshell, you're willing to guide your potential customers through the entire journey to get the outcome they want to achieve. Normally, it consists of 10-15 sessions, one online session per week, in which you guide the customer step by step. This program is tailored based on the client's needs. It can normally be sold between $5,000 and $15,000. If you offer a mentorship program, you have to be able to produce results. You absolutely have to know how to do your job. And honestly, being an infopreneur is my preferred method of making money online, and this is why I want to pursue this career for the next 20 years minimum. This business model is evolving, especially with the upcoming Web 3.0. More on that in the next few minutes. Method number 2. Start an e-commerce business. I'm pretty sure you would agree with me that today we have an enormous amount of products available to the market. You can practically find everything you want, especially on Amazon. And people trust Amazon. This is the main reason why I firmly believe that starting an e-commerce business today takes patience, especially if you start from scratch with no money. Regardless of the products you want to sell, you need to invest time and money to let people trust you. Keep in mind that the profit margin selling physical stuff via e-commerce is between 15 and 20% of the gross revenue. And again, keep in mind that if you don't reinvest all the profits to fuel this business model, you will fail. I mean, say that earning money in the short term can be very difficult. I don't want to discourage you, just telling the truth you have to know. 3 important suggestions for you. Suggestion number 1. Since people don't need more products, but better solutions to existing products, you have to choose what to sell wisely. You have to be really interested in other people's problems and passionate about your product. This is the only way to start your e-commerce business and make it profitable. Suggestion number 2. Avoid one product store. Don't even think of selling one single product. Here is why. You have to do business with clients. And let me explain this concept. Acquiring a new client is not cheap, especially today in 2022. Advertising costs are increasing, and if you think of selling only one product to your clients, you are in the wrong business. The key to making money, and especially profits, is to sell your clients different products to increase the average order value, aka the amount of money a client can invest in your company. It is crucial. Focus your attention on building a relationship with your customers and think about creating a recurring payment system to let your clients buy from you easily on a monthly basis. Selling products that require a recurring payment is the best way to make money with an e-commerce store. Suggestion number 3. Invest in your social authority. Even if you run an e-commerce store, do not underestimate the power of sharing information on social networks. Creating social authority for your e-commerce store is a winning idea because it lets you establish a relationship with your potential clients. These are some ideas of content you should share. User-generated content. Clients sell your product for you. Video testimonials. Product creation process, results, improvements, stories of your clients using your product, and so on. Let's switch to the following method of making money, especially today in 2022. Method number 3. Buy cryptocurrencies. But let me be very clear. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm not promoting any crypto project. But let's face reality for what it is. At the moment I'm recording this video, the crypto market collapsed even by 90%, and personally I have invested in different projects. I believe this is a great opportunity to multiply your hard-earned money. It is 100% passive income because you don't have to do anything other than put some money at work and wait. It's an investment, and as with any investment in the world, you can earn tons of money but even lose money. money. It's up to you. At the same time, do not invest money in something you don't understand. I suggest constantly studying the market and increasing your awareness. Only then you can make smart decisions. I have another important suggestion. To help you decide which of the two business models I have mentioned in this video is better for you, I suggest watching this video. Digital products versus physical products. Who wins the battle? Pros and cons. This video allows you to make the right choice based on who you are and your inclinations. So, watch it now.